Tokyo Metro Co., Ltd., commonly known as Tokyo Metro, is a rapid transit system in Tokyo, Japan. While it is not the only rapid transit system operating in Tokyo, it has the higher ridership among the two operators. In 2014, the Tokyo Metro had an average daily ridership of 6.84 million passengers, while the other system, the Toei Subway, had 2.85 million average daily rides. The company replaced the Taito Rapid Transit Authority, commonly known as IDEN or TRTA, on April 1, 2004. Tokyo Metro is operated by Tokyo Metro Co., Ltd., a private company jointly owned by the Japanese government and the Tokyo Metropolitan Government. It was formed in 1941, although its oldest lines date back to 1927, with the opening of the Tokyo Underground Railway the same year. The other major subway operator is Tokyo Metropolitan Bureau of Transportation, Toei Subway, which is owned solely by the government of Tokyo. Tokyo Metro and Toei trains form completely separate networks. Prepaid rail passes can freely interchange between the two networks, but fares are assessed separately for legs on each of these systems, and regular ticket holders must purchase a second ticket or a special transfer ticket to change from a Toei line to a Tokyo Metro line, and vice versa. Though most Tokyo Metro and Toei line offer through service to lines outside of central Tokyo run by other carriers, and this can somewhat complicate the ticketing. Many train stops are announced in both English and Japanese. Announcements also provide connecting line information. Train stations are signposted in English and Japanese. Train stations are now also consecutively numbered on each color-coded line, allowing even non-English speakers to be able to commute without necessarily knowing the name of the station. Many stations are also designed to help blind people, as railings often have braille at their base, and raised yellow rubber guide strips are used on flooring throughout the network. The Tokyo Metro is extremely punctual and has regular trains arriving less than 5 minutes apart most of the day and night. However, it does not run 24 hours a day. While through service with other companies complicates this somewhat, the last train generally starts at midnight and completes its service by 1, and the first train generally starts at 5. Tokyo Metro also owns a number of commercial developments, which mostly consist of shopping developments at major stations. It also owns the Subway Museum near Nishi-Kasai station on the Tokyo Metro Tozai line, which opened on July 12, 1986, and features a few retired trains which once operated in the Ginza and Marunouchi lines, as well as a maintenance vehicle. Pasmo and Suica are accepted on the Tokyo Metro as well as on railway stations operated by other companies. Transfers between Tokyo Metro subway lines and Toei subway lines are usually not free, but a discount is given when using the Pasmo or Suica cards to transfer between lines. Daily ridership is 6.84 million of passengers. Altogether, the Tokyo Metro is made up of 9 lines operating on 195.1 kilometers of route. There are a total of 179 unique stations on the Tokyo Metro network. As is common with rail transport in Tokyo, Tokyo Metro trains are severely crowded during peak periods. During the morning peak period, platform attendants (oshiya) are sometimes needed to push riders and their belongings into train cars so that the doors can close. On some Tokyo Metro lines, the first or last car of a train is reserved for a woman during peak hours. Tokyo Metropolitan Bureau of Transportation is a bureau of Tokyo Metropolitan Government which operates public transport services in Tokyo. Among its services, Toei Subway is one of 2 rapid transit systems which make up the Tokyo Subway system, the other being Tokyo Metro. The Toei Subway lines were originally licensed to the Taito Rapid Transit Authority, the predecessor of Tokyo Metro, but were constructed by the Tokyo Metropolitan Government following transfers of the licenses for each line. The subway has run at a financial loss for most of its history due to high construction expenses, particularly for the Uedo line. The Toei Subway is made up of 4 lines operating on 109 kilometers of route. Daily ridership is 2.85 million of passengers. There are a total of 99 unique stations, counting stations served by multiple lines only once, on the Toei subway network, or 106 total stations if each station on each line counts as one station. Tokyo Metropolitan Bureau of Transportation also maintains a large fiber optic cable network in the city as well as several electric power generators. It began operational in 1960. The Rinkai Line is a railway line in Tokyo, Japan. It is the only line operated by the third sector company Tokyo Waterfront Area Rapid Transit. It connects central Tokyo to the artificial islands of Aomi and Odaiba. The line is served by Sun Trains on the East Japan Railway Company (GR East), Saikayo Line, which continue to Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, Omiya and Kawagoe. While not part of the Tokyo subway network as it was built to GR specifications, the Rinkai Line is fully grade separated and runs underground for nearly 10 kilometers of its 12.2 kilometers distance, going as low as 40 meters below the ground when crossing under the port of Tokyo. The TWR 70,000 series electric multiple unit trains are based at Yashio Depot, while the 205 and E233 series trains are based at Kawago Depot. The first portion of the line between Shinkiba and Tokyo Teleport opened for service on March 30, 1996, initially under the name Rinkai Fukoshin Line. Daily ridership is 200,000 and 200 of passengers. The system length is 12.2 kilometers. Altogether, they have a daily ridership of 8.8 million of passengers. The total system length is 304.1 kilometer. Total number of stations is 290. Total number of lines is 13.